Hello, I'm Thomas. I'm a developer and technical support at Schnick-Schnack-Systems. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you set an hardnet IP address in Windows 10. For example, if you wanna reach the web interface of one of our DPB Pixel routers. For that, go to the Windows logo of the Start menu, right-click on it, select Network Connections. In the opening window, go to Change Adapter Options. In the opening window, you see all your network connections. You have to choose the right one on which your hardnet devices are connected. On mine, it's Ethernet 2. Right-click on it, select Properties. Then activate Internet Protocol version 4. Click on Properties. Then use the following IP address. Hardnet devices by default use IP addresses starting with a 2. A corresponding IP address would be 2001. The subnet mask is 255.0.0.0. If your hardnet devices use the alternative address range starting with a 10, you just have to put a 10 in the front. We will stay with the 2 in the front. Click OK, click Close. And when I open up a browser and input the IP address of one of our routers, the web interface opens up and you can see the status of the router and configure it.